Okay. Okay, it's moving. Because I need to see the word aroma turning. If not, too many wires, it just. Alright. So let me make a start. So just a reminder, I think by now you should know your grouping, you should know your leader, you should know what assignment you're doing. So let me recap, right, that you need to learn how to use the equipment before MSc. Right? Of course, the earlier you learn, the earlier you start doing the assignment. After MSc, the technical staff is not obliged to assist you any longer. So you learn how to operate the equipment. After you know how to operate, make sure then you book the equipment and you will carry out using the equipment unsupervised. You just make use of it. So I think there's some arrangement because during the holiday or vacation break, right, you can do, but the technician, we task them to do other things. So obviously we want the lab to be utilized during the vacation, otherwise it's very quiet, right? Can I make a start? Okay, so this is important, schedule to operate the range with Mr. Fu, Mr. Lai. Oh, today just happened. I saw the
lab today, then a lot of theory,
wow.
lab got theory one.
Alright, just information. You will not be tested. Some fly, I happen to find it interesting. I just put it there.
Over already.
Now the most powerful,
Waiting for the results. Cool. 差不多了.
This morning, I just saw it. Oh, I captured it. So you are in a very good. Can I start? You are in a very good area of engineering. There, at the same time, you are in a very good region, So you have all the 2+1, including you 3+1 already, right? Okay.
Then motivation, then you won't sleep already.
Right, so means that many people are able to travel here, right? Unless you have plenty of time, most of us will travel by air, right? Otherwise, it takes a month to reach here, isn't it? So therefore, air travel, it may go down a bit, but definitely will continue. So as I said, you are in a very good area, right? Definitely for the next 50 years. Okay, can I start still for something not happy about the background? Still not settled yet. One hour break is still not enough, Okay, let us look at the first method. Now, topic 0, and intentionally put it topic 0 is where we stand still, we look, we survey, and we look at the condition, we look at the service requirement, and we therefore look at the relevant or appropriate material for aircraft, right? Not for F1 Formula Car design for aircraft, right? That's why I put that 0. 0 is important, it's tested. Now we are going to take a step forward, topic 1, to look at the most important metal, that is aluminum alloy. There are 2 content pages, right? There are 2 content pages. The first content page is talking about a very popular, very common, readily available rod alloy. For those who don't know what rod alloy is, as we move along, hopefully you are able to glimpse what it is. As I said, when we finish the topic, I will not be coming back. So it's important for you to know whatever is within the slide, right? So rod, and you can see in rod is divided. There are several items associated with rod that we will be looking at. So all these are very important items. So as far as Singapore is concerned, anywhere is concerned, rod is very important. Alright? Cast alloy, you can see I grayed this out. You did print you did have information on this, but for Singapore context, it's not so relevant. So I will not be going through, and as I already mentioned, not going through means not tested. So you see you have more information than needed. So I need to look at the local context, right? We don't have a casting industry, right? In the past, yes, 1980, possibly until mid-1985, right? After that, no more casting. Alright, so because of environmental problem. In fact, in the past, right, 1980, before that, we have even a casting lab. Basically, what we did is that we take aluminium, we melted liquid aluminium, and we make a bowl and pour the liquid. You can actually see the liquid aluminium flowing into the mold and allow it to solidify, and we break the mold, right? So you can see that we did casting. Of course, in the first year now, you did investment casting, right? So that is a movement. But still, we do not have this because some of you may be playing with it, this and that, right? The silica sand, right, is a control ingredient. In fact, all the technical staff must go for annual X-ray. So you start breathing it a lot, you are in trouble.